Hello everybody, welcome to a brand new unboxing and first look of a brand new keyboard. I'm not saying it was just released, just that I just got it. Alright, this is the Logitech G413 Silver. Yep, you can see it. I know it's a bit awkward in terms of camera, but it is what it is. So this is the US International layout. It's a mechanical keyboard with the Logitech's own Romer G tactile switches. No idea. Not much to say about the box. On this side you can clearly see text, and by clearly I'm joking, because obviously you cannot read that unless you read it on a screen like what I just showed you, else it is impossible to read it. It's too, well, not impossible, it's very hard. On the other side, on this side, okay, it says Romer GQ switches, durability 70 million key presses, actuation distance 1.5 mm, actuation force 45 grams, total travel distance 3.2 mm. Physical specification, I assume it is for the whole keyboard. Length 132 mm, width 445 mm, height 34 mm. That's quite low, isn't it? Weight with cable, without cable, 1.105 kilos. Cable length 1.8 meters. Alright, nothing else really. We have this beautiful graphic on that side, and let's see, more things underneath. Alright, let's see. Romer G Tactile talks about the switches. They deliver 25% faster keystrokes and are quieter than standard mechanical switches. That's the main reason I decided to get this. Well, one of the reasons. Romer G Tactile provides a discernible actuation point that you can feel. Okay. USB. Ooh. Charge your phone or plug in your mouse or headset with the convenience of the integrated USB pass-through port. Ooh, I didn't know that. WASD. It has WASD? 12 extra tactile gaming keycaps make your keyboard as heroic as your gameplay. Included key puller makes it a snap to swap them. Aircraft grade, it says here, 5052 aluminium top case is anodized and brassed for a slim premium design plus rigid durability. That's what's it. Anyway, let's open this. Well, this is a new one. As you can see here, we have 5, 9, 12 keycaps. 1 till 5, Q, W, E, R, A, S, D, to replace the ones that are already in the on the keyboard, because they are a bit more recessed or something, I don't know. There's also a key puller here. Okay. There is a important safety, compliance and warranty information leaflet, plus a piece of paper with a URL and how to get information, I guess. Yeah. Okay. We have a 1.8 meters cable, which I think is about as much as my height. I'm not going to. There are two cables actually. One for the keyboard to work and one for the pass-through, and actually there is a nice little graphic here Anyway. And the actual keyboard, which is a bit heavier than I'm used to for the last few months that I use membrane keyboards. But it's not as heavy as other mechanical keyboards I have used in the past. Let's start from the back. There are grooves here diagonally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feet rubber E. The user information here. Very quiet when you open it, not so quiet when you close them, but it doesn't really matter. Feet, or not feet, these things that elevate the keyboard. Let's see. Oh man. And let's see. I have to say, what's this? I'm not sure. Is this damage? I cannot really. Let me use. It's gonna be a bit difficult. Let's see. Yeah, this is damage. Very slight. I doubt you can see it. It is between the number 4 key, the F3 and F4. Very slight damage on the surface of the keyboard. I don't know if you can see it or not. I mean, it's not really, I mean, if you have it like this, you can not see it. Other than that, don't see anything else. There's a sticker over the Logitech symbol here. I'll remove it. Not sure why it is there. And yeah, not bad. The main reason that I got this is because I'm tired, sick and tired of keyboards that are this. Do you see this? And I'm not talking about the umbrella. I'm talking about the other one, the black. Every single keyboard out there is black. It's like the late 80s, early 90s beige. You know what I mean, color. I'm sick of it. The only thing that would make this keyboard in terms of looks better for me is if the keys were different color. Anyway, let's see, how does it feel to type on? Oh my, it feels good. Reminds me of softer Cherry MX Black, closer I guess to Cherry MX Brown. Very nice. Oh, they are quiet. I'm gonna make some sound recording later. I have to say I like it. Big shift keys, big, well, relatively big, not very big. Backspace, good enough enter, return, Fn, and the other one I don't remember what's called. Windows key. Everything appears to be okay. There are multimedia keys, but I assume you have to use the Fn key and them to operate. So you have the brightness, then there is a Logitech key, I don't know what it is, under the F8, under the F9 is play pause, under the F10 is stop, F11 back, F12 forwards, mute, volume up, volume down. It's a good keyboard, good size, not huge keys, but not tiny either. Keycaps, I mean. I like it. Let's see, let's plug this in. As you can probably see, I mean, I have the light on from the camera, but still it should come to this to the camera that it is quite bright. Beautiful white light, almost silver like. Very nice. From this angle at least, I'm not on top, I'm like sitting properly. The lighting appears to be good everywhere, apart from shift. The letter T on the right shift isn't as light up as it probably should, and here on the top brackets, they don't appear to be as well lighted as the rest of the keys. The left seat just slightly on the S, and the caps lock key, the C is a bit off. Not much, but just a little bit different than the other. Nothing really important, serious at all. I have to say, I like it. Definitely like it. Alright, you can have a look at the. Can you have a look at the keycaps from that angle? I don't know. From the top. Let me show you from the bottom. Okay. And okay. Well, I can't really say much. I haven't used it yet properly. However, let's open a notepad, and I'm going to try to record some of the sound. First, I'm not going to move the microphone, and let's see. I'm not going to type too fast, just, you know, regular speed. What else? Okay. Ooh. Come on. I'm a bit nervous because you're looking at me timing. Fantastic feeling. Fantastic feeling. Alright. Just gonna try to focus the microphone now closer to the keyboard. Although I don't particularly agree with this type of recording because it's stupid. Anyway. Alright. Now the microphone is a Blue Snowball. Ice, whatever. It is at I don't know, like 20 something centimeters from the keyboard. Alright, let me type well, first of all, let's hear its key, not its key, but some of the keys. So P, without hitting it. It's very quiet. Okay, now let's hit them, going all the way in. Enter, return actually. spacebar. And how I would play if I use it to like play FPS or something, how it would sound. Now, as far as I'm concerned, this is a silent keyboard. Well, silent switches. The only noise that comes out of the keyboard when you type is of the contact you make with the actual keycaps, and slight noise when you bottom down the key. But it's like normal noise, nothing. I don't think this has anything to do with the actual switch. Okay, let's try to type something. Ooh. Fantastic. They feel very good when you type on it. I mean, the switches, the keys, fantastic. Alright. Now, let's see, what can we do? Well, I'm not going to use obviously the volume and all that, but let's see what we can do. What's the Z key? No. Oh yeah, I pressed the wrong key. So it's Fn plus F8. Yeah, that disables the Windows key. Yes, it does. And I assume the Fn plus the light bulb is for the brightness. Let's see. So it's the brightest one. 1, 2, 3. So it's 4 levels of brightness and then off. And you can see even with the light from the camera hitting the keyboard, there is quite a difference between off and on. Let me turn it on. It's beautiful. That's what I'm going to say. It's beautiful. Alright, I definitely like it. Oh yeah, this is metal. Okay, it said in the box, on the box, it's aluminium or aluminum if you prefer, and it's a thin slice of aluminium. The rest is plastic, but feels like good plastic, thick, nice. There's really nothing else to say. If you have any questions, please just ask me down below. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.